Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to activate RBC Virtual Visa Debit. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, you have to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in www.wildbank.com/banking services virtual visa debit card. It's going to take you to the official page where you can go ahead and read the statement and accordingly you can activate your card. So if you wish to do it so, then you can contact the support team by calling on the toll-free number that has been provided, and then you have to verify your identity and then provide in the information that's on the card, and accordingly your card will be verified. And if you don't want to do this procedure, then you can also use the app itself. So for that, you have to log in into your app. Once you're logged in, go to your profile and from there go to card. Under it, go ahead and select activate, and you also need to select the category or the card type and enter in the information manually. As you're done, you'll be prompted to create a password or a PIN, and as soon as you're done with that procedure, then you've successfully activated your virtual Visa card. So that's how you can activate your virtual Visa debit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.